Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this Factor AI review, we will break down everything about it and let you know more about this platform. So let's dive deep in and explore what Factor AI has to offer. So to get started with the Factor AI, Factor AI is like a smart helper for your marketing team. It looks a lot of information. It looks at a lot of information such as people do on LinkedIn and other places. It helps your team figure out who the best potential customer are. Factor AI used the smart maths called analytics to find this clue. This helps you create a better plan to take to the right people. So think of the Factor AI as a tool that make finding interesting customers easy and fast. I'm talking about the best features on this platform. Factor AI has some really cool tools inside that enable your team to understand customers better and faster. It's all in one platform, making it easy to see what's happening in real time. Here are some the best part of this platform, which is the features. It comes with an analyzer. So think of the analyzer as a super detective for your web marketing. It looks at tons of information from different sources, such as who click on your ads or visit your website. It helps you figure out which action shows someone is really interested in buying. It also comes with a report. So Factor AI does just find information. It puts it into easy to understand report, and also it comes with a sales metric and a insight with together with a webinar chart and other important key features like that. So if you want more information about these key features, you can just simply get back to the platform, then check for some information about that. So we also have this wide range of plan. We have the free trial plan, we have the basic plan, the growth plan, and the enterprise. So if you want more information about the key features, you can just simply get back to the website to get more information about the key features plan that is enlisted on each plan. So that's it.